friends, this is John Kingston from JR Trading Zone. This is a special video, a milestone for a YouTuber. The first milestone for a YouTuber is to reach 500 subscribers. I have reached 500 subscribers thanks to all who have subscribed my channel. I have written a book about my 22-day trading strategies and it is available on Amazon KDP. As and when I am able to reach each and every milestone, I will be revealing each and every patterns one by one. I have made a video about my pattern OSR at CPR. If you have not watched the video, I will be giving in the I button above. You have to watch the video also because that is also a very this high probability pattern. Okay, let's go to the computer presentation, and from the computer I will be showing the gap border strategy. Okay, the gap borders can act as a very good support and resistance, not like OSR at CPR. This is completely different. I always say that I only follow the leading indicators, the support, resistance, CPR, volume, and then we say open interest, like that. Okay, only few leading indicators I follow for trading, and the most important is supply and demand zone. That is the real indicator according to me. In this video, I am going to discuss the power of gap borders. Okay, what is a gap? A market is closing at a particular level. Next day when the market is opening, the gap between today's closing and tomorrow's opening, if there is a gap, that is called the gap in the market, and the borders can be marked and it will act as a very good support and resistance. In technical analysis, gap borders is having great importance, and I will show how it is working as a very good support and resistance from this video. Okay, yes friends, let's go to the 30-minute chart, Nifty chart. Okay, you see in this particular day there is a gap, that is 20th September 2023. Okay, in this particular day the candle closed here and the next day the candle opened here. Okay, it's a huge gap, and this particular area is called gap border. Whenever the candle reaches this area, as a trader we must be very cautious. There are high chances of market to reverse from this area. In this scenario, I will show how beautiful this gap border is acting as a resistance. You see, now let's go to the 3-minute chart. Yeah, now I am recording this video on 18th September 2023. Yesterday 17th September, the first candle just started here and it was not able to cross the gap, and it right at this point at the gap border it faced resistance. Then it started moving on sideways. Again you see here two very tiny pin bars here. It is not able to cross the gap. The next day when the market opened here 18th, huge red candle, the retracement, again the candles are moving upwards. Right at this point, again at this point below this area it is facing resistance. It is not able to cross the gap and there is a steep fall here. 2-3 reasons for this steep fall. Not only gaps are acting as a resistance. As a trader we are more cautious and we are going to take a trade at this point, and we will be watching whether the candles are moving above the gaps. When it breaks the gaps, there are high possibilities of the market moving on the upside. Okay, here the candles are showing weakness. I will show you clearly. You see, as a trader we have to mark the opening high and low. This is the opening high, first candle high and low. You see, when the candles are showing a retracement, right at this point the candles are showing weakness. It is not showing a bullish sign. instead there is a bearish sign in this point, immediately it reverses. If you are a very aggressive trader, you can take your trade right at this point in this candle and keep the stop loss here, right in this point, above the gap border. You can keep the stop loss. If you are more conservative, you can take the trade in this candle, okay, when the candle is closing below today's low, first candle low. Here you can take a trade at this point. Why should you take trade in this candle? I will tell you one more reason. If you have not watched my video about CPR, you have to watch the video. Very important video. You all know I only follow few leading indicators. One of them is CPR. Okay, how to interpret CPR, how CPR is working, everything I have told in my video regarding CPR. According to the theory of CPR, whenever there is a narrow CPR, the market can be trending. Okay, today it was a very trending market. Because of few reasons, I took the trade at this point. I will show you why. Here, the candle is not going above the gaps. So, the candle is showing weakness here and it is turning around. At this point, I entered. Why? I will show you. I applied the CPR. You see, the CPR is very narrow. The central CPR, top CPR and the bottom CPR are together. So, we can consider this day to be a trending day. Is it trending here, you see? Yes. It was a very beautiful trending day. From here, the market fell up to this point. You see? Not only based on gaps, we take trades based on several parameters. In this video, I want to show how gaps are acting as a beautiful resistance. Okay, next I will show you why I took the trade here. When we take a trade, we should have few logics. Okay, the logic number one, the candle, this red candle is breaking the first candle low. First candle low, point number one. Next, it is breaking previous day low. This yellow line is previous day low. Third, it is breaking the support one. You know, in CPR we have S1, S2 and S3. Three supports are broken at the same time and you are having a narrow CPR here at this point, point number two. Then I will come to the next one, point number three. The candles are not able to cross the gap and the candle is showing weakness at this point. It is turning around and not able to sustain above the day's high. Three reasons is enough for us, for a price action trader, to take trade at this point. When you take trade at this point, you can keep stop loss just above this candle. So you are getting a very good risk reward in this trade. In this video, just I want to show gaps are working as a resistance. That's all from this video. Again, practice a lot. In each and every chart, go and work out continuously, gain confidence and become a profitable and successful trader. Hi friends, I think you enjoyed watching this video. This is my second video on day trading patterns. I will reveal all the patterns which I have written in the book one by one as and when I reach the milestone in my YouTube. Okay, so if you like this video, press the like button, support my channel and share my videos to the trading community members so that they may also get some knowledge from this video. Okay, thanks for subscribing and once more, learn more, earn more. This is John Kingston signing off from JR Trading Zone. Bye.